My name is Rochelle Williams and I'm the Senior Project Manager of Operations and I'm overseeing El Paso Electric's drone program. We are here today on the West Mesa in Las Cruces to do a test mission over the Salapic 20 distribution feeder to check our lines.
Safety is our #1 priority here at El Paso Electric. My role in today's mission, I am the visual observer, so I will be monitoring the skies of any obstructions for the pilots, the RPICs that we have flying today, and make sure they are not in any danger.
The goal in today's mission is to acquire data to view back in the office to determine whether or not these structures were built to DSO standards. Today we're going to be flying our M300 drone. It's an extremely capable drone. It has the ability to fly in inclement weather such as rain, wind, storms. In the aftermath of a storm, we can utilize it to troubleshoot, find problems that are hidden.
We can fly the drone many miles to identify if there's any hot spots or faults or if there's any down lines, which is a huge benefit to our customers because we can enhance that storm response time and get service back to our customers in a quick manner.
Putting these drones in the air allows us to access areas that our equipment or our crews may not be able to. With this drone, we can see a larger area, be able to assess damage and restore power to our customers more quickly. All the pilots on scene today are UAS 107 qualified. They went through classroom training and field training and required airtime in order to get that qualification.
So to become a commercial drone pilot, we had to attend a full week of in-class training and then 2 weeks of in-the-field training, which culminated with a test at the end that's certified by the FAA.
We're going to have 15 to 20 pilots representing all areas of the company, from high voltage to underground maintenance to substation to distribution construction maintenance and emerging and renewable technology. What we're going to do is any of our 10 to 15 pilots will be using our drones. Will come and they'll put in a request, and then we'll make sure everything's formatted and charged and everything's ready and prepared for them. And then they'll come and they'll pick up the drone and then they'll go to the location wherever their mission is, or if they're doing emergency storm response. We are excited here at El Paso Electric to be using cutting-edge technology to transform the energy landscape and to help improve reliability to our customers.